Hi guys, it's Larry from LarrisLivinLite, and today I am doing the most colorful and happy layout for my happy planner. This is for the week of February 12th through the 18th, and this is for Mardi Gras. Oh yeah, another Victoria Thatcher free printable sticker layout that is just gorgeous. Can you see all that? Celebrate! I mean, it's just beautiful. She does amazing work. I love, love, love her. Thank you, Victoria. So I have taken her PDF file, downloaded it, or excuse me, I guess uploaded it into Cricut Design Space, where I have then resized the boxes to specifically match my classic Happy Planner and printed them onto sticker paper, and I'll be using them to decorate today, and this is what they came out looking like. Just gorgeous. Look at those colors. It is so vibrant. Really, really pretty. And I did have a recommendation I'll share really quick, that I started using some new sticker paper, and I just want to let you know I'm really, really unhappy with it. I've bought probably 3 different kinds of sticker paper over the last year, and nothing against this company, but this is just not working for me personally in planner stickers. This is a recommendation I received. I forget in which group somebody recommended this. Press Apply number 30605. It's full sheet labels, 8.5 by 11, and it's just not working for me, guys. I would highly recommend something else. It was super cheap. I think it was $7 or $8 for 100 sheets. But when they come out of the Cricut, can you see that? It's just, and I have my Cricut set at the lowest pressure, but this stuff is just so flimsy and thin. It's just not what I'm accustomed to using, so I wouldn't recommend it. So it's really hard to work with. I also found that when I lay these stickers down, if I make a mistake, they are not removable at all, whereas most of the other sticker paper that I have used is pretty easily removable. See, look, it's like almost every single one is cut out. And they warp really, really bad when you're trying to take them off of a Cricut mat. So just a recommendation that for this particular use, I wouldn't recommend these. If you're doing mailing labels or something like that, these are great, super affordable sticker paper sheets, but I'm just not finding it working very well for me and my planning. So just saying. But yeah, most of the other sticker paper I've used is not labeled as removable, but they do remove easily if you pull them off right away if you make a mistake. These ones are not. So just something to keep in mind. So this is the artwork we'll be using, and I did pick out some bling because it's Mardi Gras. We got to have bling, and I picked green and purple. And I think this is from Dollar Tree. This is from an Amazon order. I'll have links below. But I thought these might be kind of fun to use too. So I'm going to get started and let's see what we can do. So pull out your Happy Planner, get a cocktail, or if it's morning, get your Starbucks or a cup of tea, whatever it is that you choose. Pull up a chair and let's have some fun. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. And please, after watching, if you enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up. We did a great giveaway last week. I gave away a free Happy Planner, and I have a huge giveaway planned for when we get up to 100 subscribers. I think we're around 86 right now, so we're almost there. So let's have some fun, guys. Let's get going. I'm going to turn on the music and let's play. Okay guys, so this is it. This is our final layout for February 12th through the 18th. Mardi Gras is on Fat Tuesday the 13th, and I am celebrating. I'm so excited. Wednesday the 14th is not only Valentine's Day, but it's also Ash Wednesday. And I think the layout turned out really nice. If you like this artwork, please give this video a thumbs up and visit Victoria Thatcher. I'll have some links for her below. She does amazing work, and I think it turned out really nice. So again, I have plenty of white space to add in appointments and do some of my more functional things, but I think that it turned out nice. I love the green. It's a little, well, it's pretty glam, pretty bling, but I think it'll turn out really nice. I love the purple, is just awesome. I have my Happy Planner punch, so I can repunch where I've covered up my holes there, so I'll do that before I put it in my planner. But I just think this turned out really nice. So please do leave any comments or questions in the comments below, tips or tricks. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And don't forget, we've got a huge giveaway coming up when I hit 100 subscribers, and we're almost there, so I'm super, super excited. I can't wait. I've shown in previous videos the basket full of goodies that I've been collecting that I can't wait to send out to all of you winners. So let's get this party started. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you letting me be here to spend time with you and making friends. So subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.